In this video, we will be attaching Finn the Fox's tummy. So you can see there's a stitch guide where you can place the tummy right in the provided guidelines. And once you have that centered in place, you can take a safety pin and pin those two pieces together. I like to make sure that my safety pin is pretty well in the center of that tummy so that I'll have room on the outer edge to put my stitches. Now we're gonna have, in this video, I've got a single thread, a needle that's threaded with a single thread, and I'm going to use a running stitch to attach the tummy to the fox's body. And what I'll do is I'll start sewing so that my knot is in the back, my needle comes out through the front, and I'm just going to use a running stitch to work my way around the outer edge of the tummy, leaving about a 1/8 inch seam allowance. The seam allowance is the space between where the stitch is and where the outer edge of the work or the tummy is there. So I'll just continue with the running stitch, trying to keep my stitches as neat and even as possible and trying to keep a consistent seam allowance. And I'll use the running stitch to attach that tummy in place right inside of that provided guideline. And just work my way around. You can see that whenever you have your needle threaded with a single thread, you have to kind of watch that tail or it can come unthreaded. But if it does, you can just rethread the end and keep on stitching. And I have instructions for how to thread your needle on the YouTube page. As I approach the end, or the beginning, the place where I had started, oh yep, see, I lost my tail. I'm going to try to make that last stitch fit pretty evenly in the space between leading up to that first stitch so that it looks as even as possible along that stitch edge. Now I'm going to pick up just a little bit of fabric on the back side or wrong side of the work, and I'll make a knot by putting the needle through that loop twice. And then I just clip that end off. You want to make an ending knot at the end of your work when you finish stitching, otherwise the stitches will just come undone. But it's a good idea to put that ending knot in the back or wrong side of the work so that you can't see it from the front and it's hidden. I can take my pin out, and there you go. That step is finished.